Another clever feature of the Stitch 500 is the beacon. The beacon allows a production manager to see across the shop and know which printers are running, which printers are neutral, and which printers are in need of repair. It's a great way when the light is blinking that you know that the printer is printing and it's doing what it's supposed to do. Linked up with our mobile technology, you could monitor the operations of the printer on your phone. We have a phone app. It allows you to remotely know everything that's running in your shop. So when I set this printer up to run, it's meant to run unattended. It's meant to run out of sight, out of mind. I'm going to run nearly 1,200 square feet of material before I need to come back and inspect it. So I'm going to run overnight. It's going to run shifts unattended. And I want that mobile app to let me know that everything is golden. I can't arrive in the morning and find out the entire job is junk because nothing told me. I can't have surprises coming in on Monday morning. This printer is designed to run unattended, and between the beacon, which is visual, as well as our mobile technology, which allows you to monitor the operation of the printer remotely, you can always be assured that this is going to run and finish the job the way you expect so that you can get your work out the door.